Welcome to a deep dive into the Sync 3 infotainment system of the 2020 Ford Explorer ST. And the first thing you're going to notice is this giant 10.1-inch vertically oriented screen. But the Sync 3 behind it functions pretty much the same way it always has. So I've got a home screen here with 3 separate tiles, one for navigation, one for my phone, and one for my audio. So when I tap here on navigation, look at that, full screen, baby. When I click on search, right away I've got one box entry for my destination, and I've got a whole list of point of interest. And here Ford is getting really, really specific. I mean, if I click on all POIs and go to domestic, look, funeral home and tailor and alteration. I mean, like, that's really drilling down into points of interest, Ford. So going back to the home screen, my second tile is my phone. Here's where I've got all the options for my personal phone, but you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so I'm not sure how much you're actually going to be using this screen. And then here, of course, is my audio. I can tap on that, and again, I've got 3 separate areas of the screen, one for tuning, one for where I'm actually at, and then my presets are down here on the bottom. So we've done audio, we've done phone, we've done navigation, so let's head on over to apps. Here I can get the Sirius travel link. Again, I've got my traffic list. This is all the same traffic instance that I had in my navigation, but I can also get things like fuel prices and movie listings. However, this is all I can get. Acquiring movie listing data, acquisition may take a few minutes. Well, it's been like over an hour, so I'm not really sure what is going on here. And finally, jumping here into settings, you'll notice again, I've got 3 separate areas: assistance, vehicle, and connectivity. Going into driver assistance, here's where I can customize all of my driver's aids. So for example, my lane keeping system, if I want to set it for alert or aid, or both alert and aid, I can do that. And then I can drill down even more and decide if I want that alert to be high, normal, or low intensity. So I really like that I can customize all the driver's aids here as to how I like them. Moving on here into vehicle, here I can customize my car, right? Everything from ambient lighting, I mean, green, sure, that sounds pretty good. Can have green ambient lighting. Here in general, if I want to say go from miles and miles per gallon to kilometers and liters, you can do that here. If you go here into vehicle, I can customize the vehicle however I want it. So for example, if you're going to go in a car wash, you don't want your rain sensing wipers to come on, you can do that in here. Courtesy wipe. What the hell is a courtesy wipe? Windshield wipers will provide a courtesy wipe a few seconds after the initial wipe has been completed. That is hilarious. At any rate, you can go back here to, let's say, seats. Here's where I have my massage function. It's my favorite thing in this whole system. And then in the third section here is connectivity. I've got my phone again, Bluetooth, mobile apps, although I don't have any Sync 3 mobile apps installed on my phone, but there is a Wi-Fi hotspot which can give you the internets for up to 10 devices. I've always liked Ford's Sync 3 system because it's super easy to use and it's really, really intuitive. But by and large, it's still one of my favorites. Well, you've learned a little bit about Ford's Sync 3. Do you want to learn about Uconnect in Jeep or maybe iDrive in BMWs? Well, we've got all of your tech checks right here on the YouTube, so be sure to like and subscribe.